Question 25 is 1 mark and many students lose this mark. Why? Let's look at the question. The question says triangle ABC is mathematically similar to triangle PQR. So these triangles are similar. Show that QR equals 14. So the students will do this mentally. Since AC is 5 and PR is 10, it's double of it. So QR is double of this. So if that is 7, this is 14. And then the student will just go down here and they will write it's 14. The question didn't ask you to find QR. QR is already 14 and the question says it's 14. So here, the steps you need to follow are to find the scale factor. So you will first need to do the scale factor, or you can write K equals 10 divided by 5. That's the scale factor of the length, which is 2. And then you will do QR equals 7 times 2, which is 14. And that's it. Then you got the full mark. So be careful, show your work,